All right, we're gonna attempt to do something here. I've never videoed when I did eyes before. And actually I hadn't videoed much anything painting wise. I've been afraid to. I'm just gonna step out on a limb here and see how much I can try to stay out of the picture with my head and try to give you an idea of what I do on these eyes. I've never talked and done eyes before. Normally I have to be very, very quiet. This is not my favorite part. You'll see a little bit of discoloration, different color of this paint and what's on him now. Once I get a clear cut on that, that'll cover that up and you'll never notice it. And I'll show you that later when we get him finished. Some of those wrinkles, if you see some, those are just the jockey itself. This is the worst part to me, is this one section right here. I don't know what it is about this side. Something about trying to get around that hat deal and turn. If I could paint with my left hand, it'd be great. But I can't, so touch this up a little bit right here. We'll spot it there up a little bit. Somewhat happy with that. Now, I'll move him over a little bit where you can see his other eye here just a little bit better. This eye is not as bad. This is the easier of the two. And these little things that you see inside here, those actually are just wrinkles in the eye for some reason. There we got him. We'll get his eyebrows, we'll get his chin, his mouth, and all that. We'll get all that here in a little bit. We'll get around the outer side out of his coat and his skin. I'll show you that in just a minute.